Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is day 2 of our Florida event near the Florida RV Super Show. I'm going to show you a little bit of our Luxe luxury toy hauler. This is with the side patio and the 16-foot garage. We're going to walk in here just a bit and take a quick look at this. Later on, I'm hopeful to get a product video with a little bit more detail. So this is the living area with the 2 opposing slides. Beautiful kitchen area with the L-shaped sofa. Gonna switch around here, show you the area that we've got here. Beautiful entertainment center. This is the Brazilian interior. So looking into the garage area, we've got some jackknife sofas there, and this is our Happy Jack system. It'll have another bed up there. The garage is a 16-foot, lots of outside living space in this. So we've got the E-Track system for your tie downs, a great big nice storage area under there for tools. We've got the beaver tail, so it makes it nice and easy to get up the ramp. A half bath in this one, that is an option. So we'll run up to the bedroom here, give you an idea. This is the master bath area here. Beautiful sink there, glass backsplash, solid surface counters. Nice tub. That is an actual tub. I'm 6 foot and I fit very nicely in that. Swing around here. This is just a beautiful bedroom. King bed. You can easily walk around this bed. It's got plenty of space to walk around. Lots of cabinet area. We've got, this is all prepped for washer and dryer. You've got this little compartment here that pulls a TV out. Look at that, a lot of space in there for your washer and dryer. This is where you pull your TV out. So hey, give us a call. Come visit us at this event. We're at 10400 Paradise Spring Court, and that is in Lithia, Florida. You can look that up if you go on Google and look up The Secret Garden. The Secret Garden. And this address will pop up, and you can give us a call. We've got lots of slots available today. We will be here through Saturday. So 260-463-1582. Hey, you guys have a great day.